So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I am going to show you how to draw a brachial plexus in a simple way. So first of all, draw the 5 roots of the brachial plexus as straight small lines like this. Label them as C5, C6, C7, C8 and D1. Now join the upper two and the lower two together in a triangular shape like this and this. Now draw 3 lines, straight lines which are curving downwards. Keep the middle line a bit shorter than the upper and the lower ones. Now draw 2 arrows like this and this, and cross the upper part of the first arrow like this. This line, as it is here, draw another line here, and this one it divides into 2. So this is our brachial plexus, the main structure of it. Now let's see that the first part, these are the roots of the brachial plexus. Then this region, this is the, after roots we have the trunk of the tree. So this region is the trunks of the brachial plexus, and we have the upper trunk, the middle trunk and the lower trunk of the brachial plexus. Then after the trunks we have the divisions. Each trunk divides into an anterior and a posterior division. So these are the divisions. So this arrow-shaped structure, this is the posterior division. So make it dotted like this. So these are all the posterior divisions. You can also label them. So this is the anterior division, this is the posterior division, this is the anterior division, this dotted one is the posterior division, this dotted one is the posterior division, and this one is the anterior division. Now after the divisions we have the chords. So these are the chords of the brachial plexus. Now as the brachial plexus has curved now, so this will be the medial chord, this will be the lateral chord. Medial chord, lateral chord, and this will be the posterior chord because it is made of all the 3 posterior divisions. Posterior chord. Now let's label the main end nerves. So this is the ulnar nerve, the median one. This middle one formed by the medial and lateral root, this is the median nerve. And this is the medial root of median nerve, medial root. And this is the lateral root of median nerve. This is the musculo-cutaneous nerve. Cutaneous nerve. Now this nerve is the radial nerve. Radial and axillary arrive from the posterior chord, so this is the radial nerve, and this is the axillary nerve. So these are all the main end nerves. Now let's draw the rest of the nerves. So from the roots 2 nerves originate, and from the trunks also 2 nerves originate from the upper part. So first one, the long thoracic nerve receives the roots from C5, C6 and C7. This is the long thoracic nerve, and this is the second nerve. Similarly, 2 nerves originate from the trunk, this and this. So let's label them. This is the long thoracic nerve. Then the other nerve that originates from the root, this is the dorsal scapular nerve. Dorsal scapular nerve. Now this and this, these one are the suprascapular nerve and the nerve to subclavius. Now from the divisions no nerve originate, then from the chords again nerves originate. So from the medial chord 1, 2 and 3, 3 nerves originate. Similarly from the posterior chord 1, 2 and 3 nerves originate, and from the lateral chord only 1 nerve originate. So now this first one and this one from the medial and lateral chord, these are the medial pectoral and lateral pectoral nerve. This is medial pectoral nerve and this is the lateral pectoral nerve. Now this one and this one, these are the medial cutaneous nerve of arm and medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Arm is higher than forearm, so this one will be of the arm and this one will be of the forearm. So this is the medial cutaneous nerve of arm and this is the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. This is also called brachial cutaneous nerve and this is also called antebrachial cutaneous nerve. Now this one, these are this one and this one, these are the subscapular nerve. So this one was suprascapular and below the supra we have subscapular. So this is the upper subscapular and this is the lower subscapular nerve. So let's write it. So upper subscapular nerve and this is the lower subscapular nerve. And this middle one, this is the thoracodorsal nerve. So thoracodorsal nerve. So this is it. This is the brachial plexus.